This is not entertainment. This is testimony. We are the voices they ignored, the faces they misjudged, the rhythm they tried to silence. Hip-hop is not a crime. Hip-hop is not a stereotype. Hip-hop is our language, our weapon, our prayer. Welcome to the sessions, where every verse is resistance, every beat is survival, and every artist is truth.
Shampoo, fakizo zathuzana, futhi bright too much. Awushela kuhunta, thanaza ngenkumba. Trapisa nensuma nifaka kule ngikhala isifuba. Ayemazi into zomkhuba. If you put your energy kwezwe ungabhubha. Lenze mdaka qinda ngaphansi like umkhuba. Konigila umkhuba and cause it pain like ithumba. Bamangazibini banthe ndathola ithuba.
Limufaku, wantu okwesithathu nirapha amaqampu zocimbiza isitampu amathathu zozonoqhakancu ngomsongo lwesihlanu kofuneka nifake ishampu Limufaku, wantu okwesithathu nirapha amaqampu zocimbiza isitampu amathathu zozonoqhakancu ngomsongo lwesihlanu kofuneka nifake ishampu